Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 11 of chapter number 3, playing with numbers. In this session we will complete the last exercise of the chapter, that is exercise 3.7, and this is the last session of this chapter. So let us start with the recapitulation of tips to identify LCM and HCF. So tip number 1 tha, based on definition. If one number is divisible by many number, okay, if one number is divisible by many number, then we have to find LCM. If many number is divisible by one number, then we have to find HCF. When we will check this tip, whenever divisible, divided word will be there, then we have to go for tip number 1. If such words are not there, we will look about other words. So that is tip number 2. If the question has words least, minimum, smallest, lowest, then we have to find LCM. If the question has words like greatest, largest, maximum, okay, biggest, then we have to find HCF. If suppose these such words are not there, right? So tip number 1, tip number 2, now we will move towards tip number 3. Then we will try to identify the expected value. अगर expected value जो है the resultant expected value is more than the given values, then we have to find LCM. If the expected value is less than the given numbers, then we have to find HCF. So this is the recapitulation of all the three tips. So now let us start the exercise 3.7 with the first question. See, Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers, weight 75 kg, 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So you have to search for tip number 1. Divisible or divided word यहाँ पे नहीं है. So then you have to check for another words. So any words you are getting?
Maximum.
Yes, maximum. So what we have to find for maximum?
HCF.
Very good, HCF. Right. So given weights of 2 bags are 75 kg and 69 kg. And now we come to know that maximum weight will be equals to HCF of these two numbers. Right. So now prime factorization. So let us start with the 75. So 75 we will divide it by 3 first. So we will 25. Get, right, very good, 25. Again we will divide it by 5.
5.
5, right, 5. So stop. 3 into 5 into 5. Now 69. 69 first we will divide it by 3. 23 we will get. 23 is a prime number. So stop. So 75 is 3 into 5 into 5. And 69 is 3 into 25. So now what is the common factor between these two?
3.
Only 3, right? Only 3. So HCF is 3. Hence 3 kg is the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Now we'll move toward the second question. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter, 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? So यहाँ पे एक word है minimum. So what we have to find?
LCM.
Right, very good. So the steps of first boy is 63, second boy 70, and third boy 77. Now we have to find the LCM of these three numbers. So let us start with the prime factorization of 63. 63 देखो, first अभी देखे थे हम लोग, नहीं वो 69 था. So first we will divide it by 3, 21. Again we have to divide it by 3, 7. Okay. Next number is 70. 70 we will divide it by 2 first. So we'll get 35.
55.
Again divided by 5.
5.
7, not 5. Okay. Next number 77. So divided by 7. So we'll get 11. 11 is a prime number. So stop. So prime factorization of 63 is 3 into 3 into 7. And prime factorization of 70 is 2 into 5 into 7. And prime factorization of 77 is 7 into 11. Now find out the different types of prime factors involved. 2, 3, 5 and 11. So how many times 2 repeated maximum times? 2, 1, only 1. And what about 3?
Sir, 63.
Repeated maximum number of times 2. And 7 is also 1, and 5 is also 1, and 11 is also 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11 is the required LCM. अब यहाँ पे देखो कैसे करेंगे. See, 2 into 5 is 10. So I'm writing 10 here. Okay, and 9 into 7. 9 into 7 is 63. Right, and 63 into 11 is 693. So 693 into 10.
Sir,
6,000.
930.
Very good. 6,930. So hence 6,930 centimeter is the distance each should cover, so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. Right. So now we are moving towards the question number 3. The length, breadth and height of a room 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. So find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So which word here it is given?
Longest.
Longest. So what we have to find?
HCF.
HCF. Very good. Very good.
HCF.
Chalo. We'll start first. We will write the given measurement. So length 825, breadth 675 and height is 450 centimeter. So we'll start finding the prime factorization, right? So 825, first we will divide it by 3 because sum is 15. So 3 से divide कर रहे हैं, ध्यान से देखो. We'll get 275. Right, now we'll divide it by 5. We'll get 55. So फिर 5 से divide करेंगे, we'll get 11. Right, now 675. 675, first we will divide by 3 again. So 225. Again this is divisible by 3 क्योंकि sum यहाँ पे 9 हो रहा है. Again we will divide it by 3. We'll get 75. 75 again divisible by 3. So we will divide. So we'll get 25. 25 we will divide it by 5. 5. Yes, stop. Next is 450. So 450 we will divide it by 2 first. Okay, 2 से divide करेंगे. So we'll get 2, 5, 225. 225 देखो यहाँ पर भी 225 है, ये कॉपी हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. So 375, थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी लिख लेते हैं इसको. 325, 5 and 5. Right. Okay, fine. So 825 is equals to 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. Right. And this is the, मैं फिर से वो जो हैंड रिटन किया हूँ अभी वो प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में रहेगा. 3 into 5 into 5 into 11 and 675 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 and 450 we got 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Right, now we'll find out the common factors. So first common factor is 3.
3.
Any other common factor?
5.
5. Any other left?
3. Sir, again 5.
Right, very good. One more 5. So HCF is 3 into 5 into 5. So 3 into 25. 75. Okay, 75 centimeter. Hence longest tape is 75 centimeter, which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room. So this is third question. Now we are moving towards the fourth question. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. See, divisible word is there. So
Yes.
divisible word is there, that means we have to go for tip number 1. So smallest 3-digit number means one number is divisible by many number, 3 numbers. So what we have to find? One number divisible by many number.
Sir, HCF.
LCM we have to find. मैं एक बार फिर से repeat कर रहा हूँ. If one number is divisible by many number, you have to find LCM. If many number is divisible by one number, you have to find HCF, राइट. सो यहाँ पे हम लोग को फाइंड करना है LCM, राइट. सो अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं 6 का. तो 6 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन देख लो. फर्स्ट यू डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 3. 15 का तो बहुत इजी है, 3 से डिवाइड करो. 5 नहीं, 15 नहीं, सॉरी, एक मिनट, दिस इज रॉन्ग.
8.
एक मिनट, हाँ यहाँ पे थोड़ा मिसप्रिंट हो गया. दिस इज 8, ये यहाँ पे कट करके 8 लिख देते हैं, राइट. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 8. सो नाउ डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 4. अगेन डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 2. Okay. Next number is 12. Divided by 2, 6. Again divided by 2, 3. Stop. So 6 is equals to 2 into 3. 8 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2. And 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. Now we have to find the common factors. So what is the common factor? 2. Wait. We are finding the LCM है ना. So LCM में common factor नहीं देखना है. 2 और 3 यहाँ पर. 2 repeated maximum number of times
Sir, in 8.
in 8. 3 times in 8. And 3 repeated only 1 time. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So what we are going to get? 8 into 3. That is 24.
24.
Right. Abhi, now we need to find the smallest 3-digit number, which is a multiple of 24. So we know that 24 into 4. 24 into 4 is 96. And 24 into 5 is 120. The first 3-digit number, which is divisible by 24, is 120. So therefore, 120 is the smallest 3-digit number, which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards next question. Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10, 12. So again, see, this is one number is divisible by many number. That means what we have to find? Again, LCM we have to find. Okay. So greatest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12 is LCM of, okay, LCM of 8, 10 and 12. Right. Next, now we will start with the prime factorization. 8, 2, 4, 2, 2.
2.
10 का करेंगे अभी. 10 का 2,
5.
5. Stop. 12,
6.
2, 6, 2, 3. Stop.
3.
So prime factorization of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, and prime factorization of 10 is 2 into 5, and the prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Now LCM we have to find. So 2, 3 and 5 prime factors are there. 2 repeated maximum number of times?
Sir, in 8.
3 times, right. And 3 and 5 repeated only 1 time.
1 time.
So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So यहाँ पे 2 into 5 कर लो पहले, 10.
10.
And 4 into 3 is 12. So 12 into 10 is 100. Yes, 120. Now greatest 3-digit number is 999. Now what we will do, 999 को 120 से डिवाइड करेंगे. थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो, डिवाइड कर रहा हूँ मैं. 999. Okay. So I am going to divide it by 120.
Okay, sir.
I will tell you another method also. So 128 are 960. Okay. So 960 रिमाइंडर आ गया 39. फिर ये 39 हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसमें से माइनस करेंगे.
Minus.
ओके. सो माइनस करेंगे तो 960 मिलेगा. सो वी फाइंड दैट व्हेन 999 डिवाइडेड बाय 120, the remainder is 39, right? So therefore the greatest number which is exactly divisible by 120 is equals to 999 minus 39, that is 960. दूसरा मेथड बता रहा हूँ. देखो 120 का मल्टीपल जो है, अभी इंटू 8 किए तो 960 आ गया, राइट. 960. अगर 120 को हम लोग 9 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं if we multiply 120 with 9, so we'll get 1080. So this is the largest 3-digit number which is a multiple of 120. ओके सो 960 इज द आंसर. तो ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं हम लोग, और डिवाइड करके रिमाइंडर माइनस भी कर सकते हैं. सो बोथ मेथड्स आर करेक्ट. विच एवर मेथड इज इजी फॉर यू, दैट यू कैन अप्लाई. राइट, नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds, and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again? See, now there is no word divisibility, divisible, divide, divided word, maximum, minimum, least, smallest, lowest, कोई word नहीं है यहाँ पर. तब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? वी हैव टू गो फॉर टिप नंबर 3. नाउ वी विल आइडेंटिफाई द एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू. एक जो है वो 48 सेकेंड में, सी 48 सेकेंड्स the first light, second light 72 seconds, third light 108 seconds. So definitely after 48 seconds ये दोनों चेंज नहीं होगा, और 108 के बाद भी ये दोनों साइमल्टेनियसली चेंज नहीं होगा. तो 108 के बाद जो नेक्स्ट जो रहेगा 216, उस पे चेक करेंगे. फिर 216 के बाद फिर 108 ऐड करो, ऐसे ऐड करते जाओ, तब जाके कोई एक टाइम पे वो एक साथ चेंज होगा. राइट, लेकिन वो नंबर बड़ा मिलेगा कि छोटा मिलेगा? दैट नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन द गिवन नंबर और लेसर? 108, 48, 72. मैंने कहा 108 तक तो कोई मिले नहीं, मीन्स साइमल्टेनियसली नहीं हुआ. 108 के बाद 216 में चेक करेंगे, देन प्लस 108, ऐसे वैल्यू बढ़ता जाएगा. दैट मीन्स द एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन द गिवन वैल्यूज. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? वेदर दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके फाइन. सो अगर बड़ा वैल्यू मिल रहा है, एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड? We have to find LCM. LCM we have to find. ठीक है, एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू बड़ा है तो LCM, एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू छोटा है तो HCF. So LCM of 48, 72, 108 is the time period after which these lights change. So हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी कॉमन डिवीजन मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट we will divide it by 2. So here 24 you will get 36, 54. Okay, मैं सिर्फ बोल रहा हूँ, लिख नहीं रहा हूँ, because time is very less. Again we will divide it by 2. So here we'll get 12, 18, 27. 12 and 18 are divisible by 2. So we'll divide by 2 again. 6, चलो यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं 6, 9 and 27. ठीक है, I told you that if these three numbers are divisible by 3, then we can in fact all three numbers are divisible by 3. We can start 3 also, but anyhow 2 will be left last also, so we can take up 2 also here. ठीक है, so इसको ये 3 हो जाएगा, 3, 9, 27. So now we will divide it by 3. 1, 3, 9. So 1, 1, 3. So we can stop here. लेकिन कुछ बुक्स में इसके बाद भी कुछ स्टेप्स दिया हुआ. देखो कुछ बुक्स में, जैसे उस दिन गीतम भी बोला था कि उनके स्कूल में 1, 1, 1 तक लेके आते, तो नॉट नेसेसरी, वी कैन स्टॉप हियर. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे 2 यूज नहीं करते हैं तो हम लोग को यहाँ पे 2 आ जाता. सो 2 और 3 हम लोग यूज कर सकते थे. ओके, सो 2 into 3 is 6. Again 2 into 3 is 6. Again 2 into 3 is 6. So 3, 6 we got. So 6 into 6 36, into 6 216. फिर लास्ट में 2 बचा है, 216 into 2, that is 432. So this is the answer. Hence light will change together after 432 seconds. So after 432 seconds means you have to divide it by 7. How many minutes are there?
60.
Wait. Let me. Okay, 1 minute is equals to 60, na? So we have to divide it by 60 first. So 67s are 420. Okay, so we got 12 remainder. That means 12 is nothing but this is seconds. So 7 minutes 12 seconds. किसी का
12
माइक ऑन है देखो. So answer
Sir.
is 7 minutes 12 seconds. Yes, Gitam.
Sir, the time would be 7.
Yeah, 7 a.m. 7 a.m. was the previous time. So 7, 7, 12. Okay. So how will you write? 7, 7, 12. This is
12.
second. Okay. But this no need to write this answer. You can you can end up here only. So this is seventh question. Total 11 questions are there. Okay. So now we are moving toward the seventh question. 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters, 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum number capacity of container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. So यहाँ पे एक word आ गया कौन सा?
Maximum.
Maximum. So what we have to find?
HCF.
HCF. Very good. Very good. So maximum capacity of tanker required HCF of 403, 434, 465. So we will find the prime factorization. Okay. So फटाफट निकाल लेते हैं. 403 is divisible by 13. Okay. 13 से divide होगा 3, 39, 113. Right. 31. Next is 31 is a prime number, so we'll stop. 434. We'll divide it by 2 first. So किसी का mic on है देखो. 217. Right, 217. Again we will divide it by 7. 31. Stop. Now one more number is left. 465. 465 we will divide it by 3 first. 3 first. So if you divide it by 3, you will get 1, 5, 5. 155. Okay. So divided by 5. You will get 3, 1, 31.
31.
Right. So we got this one. 403, 13 into 31 to 434, 2 into 7 into 31. And next is 465, 3 into 5 into 31. Now for HCF, we have to see the common factor. Common factor?
31 common.
Yes, only 31. Right. So hence a container of 31 liters can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. Right. So now we are moving towards question number 8. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15, 18 leave a remainder 5 in each case. So one number divisible by 3 numbers. So we have to find LCM. Right. Right. LCM of 6, 15 and 18. चलो हम लोग 6, 15, 18 को common division method से apply करते हैं. Find करते हैं. 6 and 18 are divisible by 2. So we are going to take divided by 2. 3, 15,
5, 9.
9. Right? 3,
3,
15, 9. All are divisible by 3. So we'll divide it by 3. So we'll get 1,
3, 1, 3,
5,
5, 3, 3.
3. So now see, no common factors are there. So we can leave it here. Otherwise, if you want to end up with 1, 1, that is up to you. You can take
Sir, there is a remainder 5.
remainder 5. How? If you divide it by 3, you will get 1, 5, 1. Again, if you divide it by 5, 1, 1, 1. In some book, it is given up to 1, 1, 1. So you can wind up to here only, right?
Okay, sir.
1, 5, 3. So now the LCM is 2 into 3 into 5 into 3. So that is equals to 90.
90.
But 90 is divisible by 6, 15 and 18, right? But we need remainder 5. So क्या करेंगे 90 में हम लोग 5 add कर देंगे. Therefore the required number is 5 more than 90. So that is the answer 90 plus 5. What is 90 plus 5?
95.
95. Right. This is the final answer. अगर remainder मान लो यहाँ पर रहता 3 remainder आना चाहिए. So we will add 3 to 90. If suppose remainder is given 4, we have to add 4. Okay. So this is question number 8. Now we are moving towards question number 9. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 38. Again, one number is divisible by 3 numbers. So we have to find LCM. Right. चलो अभी LCM के लिए हम लोग इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से करेंगे 18. So 18 first you divided by 2,
9.
9 divided by 3, 3. Next 24 divided by 2, 12. Again divided by 2, 6. Again divided by 2, 3. Right. Now 32. 32 again 32 divided by 2, 16. Very good. Divided by 2, 8. Again divided by 2, 4. Again divided by 2, 2. Stop. Right. So prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And the last 32 is 5 times 2. Right. So LCM में हम लोग को पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कितने सारे डिफरेंट प्राइम फैक्टर्स है. So यहाँ पे only 2 and 3 है. 2 repeated maximum number of times.
In 32.
Right, 5 times. And 3 repeated maximum number of times. 2.
In
18 में 2 बार repeat हुआ. Right. So the product of these two is the LCM. Right. So ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 32 है. 32 into 9. 32 into 9 is 288. So this is the required LCM. Now the smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number?
1000.
Yes, 1000. Right. So अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 1000 को 288 से डिवाइड करेंगे. इसका दूसरा मेथड भी बताऊंगा मैं. So 1000 को पहले हम लोग डिवाइड करेंगे 288 से. Okay. So we are going to divide 288 से 3 864. 864. So we are getting 136. ठीक है ना? 136 रिमाइंडर मिल रहा है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 136 जो है 288 से माइनस करके उसको 1000 में ऐड करेंगे. राइट. 288 से 136 माइनस करके 1000 में ऐड करेंगे तो वो नंबर 288 से डिवाइड होगा. सो वी फाइंड दैट व्हेन 1000 is divided by 288, we got 136 as the remainder. Okay. So therefore smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 288. Just now I told you that we will subtract 136 from 288 then add with 1000. So इन दोनों को subtract करने से हम लोग को क्या मिलेगा? 152. So 1152. ये एक मेथड हुआ. दूसरा मेथड देख लो. दूसरा मेथड ये है 288 को into 3 करो. So we got 864. ठीक है, 3-digit number. Again 288 into 4 करो. If you multiply with 4, you will get 1152, जो कि 4-digit number है. First 4-digit number multiple of 288 is the required answer. Is that clear? So ये वाला method easy लग रहा है तो ये वाला follow करो. Otherwise this is the standard method. So this is the 9th question. Only 2 questions left. So let us start the 10th question. Find the LCM of the following numbers. 4 bits are there. 9, 4, 12, 5, 6, 5, 15, 4. Observe a common property in the obtained LCMs. Is LCM the product of 2 numbers in each case? So let us start with the first bit, 9 and 4. 9 का prime factors. Easy है. 3 into 3.
3.
Right. 4 का 2 into 2. Right. So LCM निकालना है. LCM मैंने बताया था 2 maximum times और 3 maximum times. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is nothing but 36. 9 into 4. Okay. Now second one, 12 and 55. 12 and 5. 12 का होगा 12 का 2 into 2 into 3 और 5 का केवल 5 ही होगा. Leave it. Now the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and that is nothing but that is 60. देखो 9 into 4 36 होता है. We got LCM 36. Here also 12 into 5 is 60. We got LCM 60. So next वाला देख लेते हैं C bit. 6 and 5. 6 we can write 2 into 3.
Yes.
And 5 is single prime number. So 2 into 3 into 5 is prime factor LCM. That is nothing but 30. And 6 into 5 is also 30. So ये प्रोडक्ट के बराबर हो गया. So लास्ट में आ जाते हैं 15 और 4. 15 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 3 into 5.
Yes.
And 4 we can write 2 into 2.
2 into 2.
So पूरा अलग अलग आ गया देखो. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is LCM. That is nothing but that is 60.
60.
And 60 is 15 into 4. So what we are observing, the product of the numbers is the LCM. Okay. In each case, the LCM of the given numbers is the product of these numbers. This is our observation. और यहाँ पे पूछा भी है, is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? Answer is yes. Okay. Now next question, question number 11. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is a factor of the other. Okay, so let us start with the 5 and 20. 5 single prime number hai, so we will not find the prime factorization of 5. So 20 का क्या होगा देखो. 20 will start divided by 2. 2
10.
2 5. Right, very good. 2 2 5. ठीक है. सो एलसीएम क्या होगा. 2 into 2 into 5 ऑलरेडी है यहाँ पर. ठीक है. सो 20 एलसीएम इज नथिंग बट दैट इज 20. राइट. नेक्स्ट बी बिट 6 and 8. 6 का प्राइम फैक्टर होगा 2 into 3 और 8 का होगा 2 into 2 into 2. सो सॉरी 2 नहीं 18 आ गया यहाँ पे. एक मिनट. हाँ सॉरी 18 नंबर था ये. यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हो गया. टाइपिंग मिस्टेक. 6 and 18. 6 का है 2 into 3 और 18 का है 2 into 3 into 3. 2 repeated maximum times 1 only and 3 repeated maximum times 2. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 3, that is 18. Okay. Now next number is 12 and 48. 12 का है 2 into 2 into 3 and 48 एक बार करके देख लेते हैं. देखो 48 जल्दी जल्दी. 48 फर्स्ट यू डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 24 फिर 2 से डिवाइड करो. 12 फिर 2 से डिवाइड करो. 6 फिर 2 से डिवाइड करो. 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 and 2 repeated maximum number of times in 48, that is 4, and 3 repeated only one time. So यही पूरा नंबर आ जाएगा देखो. That is nothing but 48. अब एक ही बिट बचा हुआ है लास्ट. 9 and 45. 9 को 3 into 3 and 45 को 3 into 3 into 5. 3 repeated maximum times 2 and 5 repeated 1 only. So LCM is 3 into 3 into 5, that is 45. अब क्वेश्चन पूछा है what do you observe in the results obtained. So in each case ध्यान से देखो LCM of the given numbers is the larger number. See इन दोनों में देखो larger number is 20. Here this is 18. Larger number is 18. Here the larger number is 48. That is the LCM. Here the larger number is 45. That is the LCM. That is our observation.
Sir, answers also LCM answers also coming the same number.
Yeah, that the larger number. That's what. Hence, in each case, the LCM of given numbers is the larger number only. In each case. So when a number is a factor of other number, then their LCM will be the larger number. See, 5 is a factor of 20. So LCM will be the larger number, that is 20. 6 is a factor of 18. So the larger number is 18. So 18 is the LCM. 9 and 45. 9 is a factor of 45. So 45 larger number is the required LCM. 12 is a factor of 48. So larger number is 48. So 48 is the LCM. That's what this statement tells. When a number is a factor of other number, then their LCM will be the larger number. So this is the last question of the exercise. So now we are moving towards the next section, that is assignment questions. So 7 questions are there. I will post through Google Classroom and you have to submit in that Google Classroom only. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.